Hello and welcome to the video walk around with the 2011 Volvo XC60 AWD 5 in metallic grey finish with a 18-inch Volvo alloy wheels. The vehicle's got a privacy glass and a aluminium roof rails. It's got the XC wheels on it, rear parking sensors, electric tailgate. I believe the vehicle is locked right now. Just gonna grab the keys. It's got split folding rear seats, a luggage cover and a boot cover as well, which is in very good condition. And the front view of the vehicle, it's got headlamp washers, daytime running LED lights and xenon headlights. Matching full leather interior with a kind of orange stitches on the sides. 5 headrests, ISOFIX for child seat preparation, rear center armrest with some storage department and some cup holders. Very good size of a legroom. It's got a 12-volt power outlet socket at the back as well. Speakers on the rear doors, a child lock, so here we have the electric windows and folding mirrors. It's got electric driver seat, and which is memory, heated seats, leather is in good condition. Once we step in, it's got a push button to start, a multifunction steering wheel with the cruise control on the left hand side, automatic transmission, some cup holders in the middle, a center armrest, some storage department, auxiliary and the USB slot are in there. It's got lumbar support on the both seats. It's got a satellite navigation with a remote control. Got controls on the side of the steering wheel as well for the sat nav. We dropped the remote control anyway. So it's got air conditioning with a dual zone climate control. Bluetooth connectivity, AM/FM radio and a CD player, and a rear view dimming mirror. This was the video walk around of the 2011 Volvo XC60 AWD. To book a test drive or for any further information, please give us a call. Thanks for watching.